Hello friends, my name is Gagandeep. Today I am going to represent one of the coding in the Python, and in this script I am going to represent one of the quiz which is related to the leap year. First of all, I am using the import random here, which is mainly as its name represent random. It will show all of the number randomly. Moreover, I am using a string here in which I will take the input from the user. That user will take the user will give their name. That user have to enter their name whenever they will start the quiz. After that, here is a variable. If a is equal to a dot capitalized, means to say if I want to represent one first character of the name of the person in the capital form, that's why I'm using the capitalize function here. If I will not use this capitalize function, it will not show the first character of the name in the capital format. After that, I am using the print command here. Print is mainly used to print the message. Here I will print welcome to the leap year quiz, and plus a, it will show the name of the user which we are storing in a. It will show here welcome to the leap year quiz, and after that it will show here the name of the user. Furthermore, print command is also I'm using print command here. In this command, I will print the message that how many questions the user want to go within this quiz. Then user have to enter the number of the question with which they want to go with it. After that, b is variable here. It is in which integer value will be stored. After that, print command I'm using here, in which I will print the message that is called okay, here we go. Adding to it, I'm using the while loop here. In this while loop, while b is greater than the 0, b is a variable here. If it is greater than the 0, after that I'm using the for loop here. It's serial in range b, means to say it will show the range in the b. The range will be stored in the b. After that, e is a variable here, and I will use this e for entering the value from the user. Is it true or the false? I'm using here num variable, in which I will store random.rand int. It means I will store the range which will be randomly 1900 to 2020. The range will be from 1900 to 2020 years, and it will show it randomly. That's why I'm using here random. After that, I am using the if else statement here. In this if else, first of all, if num, this variable is num. If num is divisible by 4, then it will be is equal to 0. Or num is divisible by 400, also it will give 0. But if num is divisible by 100, it will not equal to 0. Sign of exclamation will show that it will not equal to 0. After that, is equal to true, it will show if you want to, a user have to print true or the false, which will be stored in e. Else e will be show you can print the false. After that, I'm using the print command here. In this, I will show that is it a leap year or not, and I'm using the format function here, in which the num value will be stored. Format is method is mainly used that formats a specified value and insert that value inside the strings placeholder. After that, f is a variable. F is a string type variable in which input function which will use to take the input. And after that, if f is equal to e, if f will be equal to this true or this false, then it will print that the answer is correct. Else it otherwise it will print that the answer is incorrect. I'm using the b here. B is a variable here, in which I'm using the counter that b is minus equal to 1. It will after that I will whenever we will complete our quiz, then it will show the message that you have completed the quiz. Whenever I will run this code, it will first of all give me that you have to enter the name. For example, I am giving the name here. Name of the user, is it Fred? It will show that welcome to the leap year quiz, friend. How many questions you want to go with this quiz? For example, I'm going with 3. Okay, here we go. It will 1967 is it leap year? Is it true or false? I'm giving true. It will show that answer is incorrect. If 1934 is a leap year, true or false? I'm giving true here. It will show that the answer is incorrect and you have completed your quiz.